Good morning, everyone. So now I'll be discussing about nature of organization. So the contents of my report: first, we have differentiation of the organization internal environment. Second, integration of work units. So first, differentiation of the organization internal environment. Differentiation in organization involves division of labor and specialization according to Bateman and Snell 2008. This necessarily result from the organization composition many different work units with different kinds of tasks, using different skill and work activities coordinating with another for a common end. So ang differentiation is mo ni ang pagbahin-bahin sa kanang mga trabaho o roles sa isa ka organization, kay daghan man ang klase-klase nga kanang mga trabaho. Di ra kaya ang kung isa ra ka tawo ang mubuhat ana, so mo nang ginabahin-bahin nila ang task. So for example, sa school, ang teacher mao'y magtudlo, ang register pod mao'y mag-handle sa record of document. So ang accountant pod mao'y mag-handle sa payments. Ang guidance counselor mao'y mo-assist sa mga estudyante. So kabantay mo lahi-lahi ang kanang ilang mga role. So mo na ginatawag og kanang gitawag og kanang differentiation. Division labor involves assigning different tasks to different people in the organization. Different work units. Related to division of labor is specialization, the process in which different individuals and units perform different tasks. An organization's overall work is complex and would be too much for any individual. Therefore, bigger the organization, the more work units or work individuals of division and specialization are to be expected. So ang division labor is actual nga pag-assign sa specific role sa mga tao. Connected ni siya sa specialization, meaning ang tao mo focus sa trabaho nga ana siya maazo or train siya ana kay bawo siya ana nga field. So for example, sa kanang Jollibee, so kuan na sila ana, gibahin na sila task. So ang usa mo take orders, ang isa mo luto, ang isa pod mo serve sa counter. So kana sila specific role, mo na ang gitawag og division labor, na sila specific role. So ang ikaduha is integration of work units. So integration is another process in organization internal environment which involves the collaboration and coordination of its different work units or work divisions. Coordination refers to the procedures that connect the work activities of the different work divisions or units of the firm in order to achieve its overall goal. Structural mechanism may be devised in order to increase collaboration and coordination. The more highly differentiated one's organization is, the greater the need for integration among the different units. So ang integration is pag-coordinate o pagtinabangay sa lain-laing division or unit sa organization, kung lahi-lahi sila og task, kinahanglan pod sila magkasinabot aron ma-achieve ang ilahang common goal. So for example, aning integration is for example sa ospital, kanang ang doktor mohatag og tambal, ang pharmacy pod ang mo prepare og mo release kung sa nurse pod, ang nurse mo assist sa pasyente based sa kanang instruction sa kanang doktor. So lahi-lahi sila og kanang role, pero nag-coordinate sila para maazo ang pasyente. Mo nay pasabot og kanang integration.